In our last section, we talked about slope. We're going to build on that today by talking about direct variation. Direct variation is a kind of an equation where one variable varies directly with the other. So as one variable changes, the other variable changes exactly with it in a specific relationship. We'll get to that. So what you need to remember first of all is that all direct variations follow this form right here. Y is equal to kx. What is k? K is the constant of variation. It is the number that you're going to multiply x by to get y at any point on that line. So let's take a look at that in an example. Here we have a line. It is passing through the origin. That's one of the points that we need to know about direct variations. They pass through the origin. So it is a direct variation. The equation for this line, because we've been given what k is, would be y is equal to 3 times x. 3 is my constant of variation. And what that means is whatever value I plug in for x, I'm going to multiply it by 3, my constant of variation, to get y, and that will give me a point on this line. So let's see. Y is equal to 3 times what? Well, let's start with an x value of 1. Plug in 1. So at an x value of 1, what will my y value be? Well, 3 times 1 is 3. So when x is equal to 1, then y should be equal to 3. Well, let's check it out. If we go over to 1 on our x-axis, then up 3, then we get a value, a point of 1, 3. So that is the first point, or one of the points on our direct variation. Let's try it again. Whatever value we plug in for x should give us the appropriate y value and give us a point on this line. So y is equal to 3 times, we'll use 2. We'll go to 2 on the x-axis and see what it gives us. Well, y then is equal to 6. 2 up to 6, and there indeed it is on that point. That point is on that line, and my x and y values are 2 for my x value and 6 for my y value. This is 0.26. That is a direct variation.